What's going on, everybody? And today we're diving deep into the world of Xiaomi. This brand has been making waves in the tech space, and for good reason. They're all about delivering high-quality gadgets without the premium price tag. Welcome to our deep dive into Xiaomi's most popular gadgets. From smartphones to smart home devices, Xiaomi has something for everyone. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for great value, Xiaomi has something for you. We'll be taking a close look at their smartphones, wearable tech, smart home devices, audio gear, laptops, tablets, and even their electric scooters. We'll explore what makes these products stand out and why they've become so popular. So, if you're ready to see how Xiaomi is changing the game, sit back, relax, and let's get started.
Let's kick things off with what Xiaomi is probably best known for, their smartphones. They've managed to capture a huge chunk of the global market, and it's not hard to see why. They consistently deliver impressive specs and features at prices that make you wonder, how do they do that? One of their flagship models, the Xiaomi 12 Pro, is a perfect example. This phone packs a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, a gorgeous 6.73-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, talk about buttery smooth scrolling, and a triple 50-megapixel camera system that captures stunning photos and videos. And the best part is, it comes in at a significantly lower price point than its competitors. But hey, maybe you don't need all the bells and whistles of a flagship. That's where the Redmi Note series comes in. The Redmi Note 12 Pro, for example, offers incredible value for its price. You get a powerful MediaTek Dimensity 1080 processor, a beautiful 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, because everyone deserves smooth scrolling, and a 50-megapixel main camera that takes fantastic shots. Now, no brand is perfect, and Xiaomi does have a few areas where they could improve. Some users have reported minor software glitches with MIUI, Xiaomi's custom Android skin. While MIUI offers tons of customization options, it can take some getting used to, and some bloatware can be a bit annoying. Overall, Xiaomi smartphones offer an incredible balance of performance, features, and affordability. They might not be perfect, but they're definitely punching above their weight class and giving the big players a run for their money.
Now, let's talk wearables. Xiaomi has been killing it in the wearable tech game too, with their popular Mi Band fitness trackers and stylish smartwatches like the Xiaomi Watch S1. The Mi Band 7 is a prime example of Xiaomi's commitment to affordability without compromising on features. This little tracker packs a bright 1.62-inch AMOLED display, all the essential health and fitness tracking features you need, including SpO2 monitoring and sleep tracking, and an impressive battery life that can last up to 2 weeks on a single charge. If you're looking for something a bit more stylish, the Xiaomi Watch S1 might be right up your alley. This smartwatch boasts a sleek, premium design with a circular AMOLED display, GPS, NFC for contactless payments, and a battery that can last up to 12 days on a single charge. Reviews for both the Mi Band 7 and the Xiaomi Watch S1 have been overwhelmingly positive, with users praising their affordability, long battery life, and comprehensive tracking features. Of course, no product is perfect. Some users have noted that the Mi Band 7's smaller display can make it a bit difficult to read notifications, and the Xiaomi Watch S1, while feature-packed, doesn't have quite the same app ecosystem as some of its more expensive competitors. But overall, Xiaomi's wearable tech offers a compelling combination of affordability, functionality, and style, making them a great option for anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of fitness trackers or smartwatches.
Alright, let's move on to smart home devices. Xiaomi has been steadily building out their smart home ecosystem, and it's becoming a serious contender in the market. One of their most popular smart home devices is the Xiaomi Mi Smart Speaker. This compact speaker delivers surprisingly good sound quality for its size and doubles as a smart home hub, allowing you to control other compatible devices with your voice. And speaking of compatible devices, Xiaomi offers a wide range of smart home products including security cameras, smart light bulbs, smart plugs, air purifiers, robot vacuums, and more. What's cool about the Xiaomi smart home ecosystem is that it's designed to work seamlessly together. You can control everything through the Mi Home app, which is available on both Android and iOS devices. Xiaomi smart home devices are praised for their affordability, ease of use, and compatibility with popular voice assistants like Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. However, keep in mind that Xiaomi's smart home ecosystem is still relatively young compared to some of the more established players like Google or Amazon. But if you're looking to dip your toes into the world of smart homes without breaking the bank, Xiaomi's offerings are definitely worth checking out. They're constantly adding new devices and features, so it's exciting to see where they take their smart home ecosystem in the future.
Chapter 4, Xiaomi Audio, Big Sound, Small Prices. Now let's talk audio. Xiaomi's audio products have been gaining popularity for their surprisingly good sound quality and affordable prices. One of their standout products is the Redmi AirDots 3 Pro. These true wireless earbuds offer active noise cancellation, a feature you usually only find on more expensive models, along with impressive sound quality and a comfortable fit. But Xiaomi's audio prowess doesn't stop at earbuds. They also offer a range of soundbars that deliver immersive audio experiences for your home theater setup. Their soundbars often feature multiple drivers, support for Dolby Audio and DTS Virtual X technologies for surround sound effects, and even come with wireless subwoofers for that extra thump in your music and movies. What's great about Xiaomi's audio products is that they don't just sound good on paper, they deliver an enjoyable listening experience without breaking the bank. Of course, audio is subjective, and what sounds good to one person might not sound as good to another. But overall, Xiaomi's commitment to delivering quality audio at affordable prices is evident in their product lineup. Whether you're looking for earbuds for your daily commute or a soundbar to upgrade your home theater, Xiaomi has something for you.
Chapter 5, Xiaomi Laptops and Tablets, Productivity and Entertainment, Simplified. Alright, let's shift gears and talk about Xiaomi's laptops and tablets. They might not be as well known as their smartphones or wearables, but they're definitely worth a look, especially if you're looking for great value. Their My Notebook series offers a range of laptops designed for everyday productivity, from budget-friendly options to more powerful models for demanding tasks. These laptops often feature sleek designs, solid performance thanks to Intel or AMD processors, long battery life, and beautiful displays. On the tablet front, the Xiaomi Pad 5 has been making waves with its impressive specs and affordable price tag. It boasts a stunning 11-inch display with a 120Hz refresh rate, perfect for gaming and media consumption, a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 860 processor, and a long-lasting battery. Xiaomi's laptops and tablets are generally targeted towards students and professionals looking for affordable devices that don't compromise on performance. While they might not have the same premium feel as some of the higher-end brands, they offer excellent value for the price.
Chapter 6, Xiaomi's ecosystem beyond smartphones. Finally, let's talk about Xiaomi's ever-expanding ecosystem of products. They've gone beyond smartphones and ventured into various categories, including electric scooters, robot vacuums, and more. One of their most popular products in this category is the Mi Electric Scooter Pro 2. This scooter offers a great combination of portability, range, and performance, making it a solid option for short commutes or just cruising around town. Then there's the Mi Robot Vacuum Mop, which takes the hassle out of keeping your floors clean. This intelligent robot vacuum not only vacuums, but also mops your floors, all while navigating your home autonomously. Xiaomi's ecosystem products are all about convenience and simplifying your life through technology. User reviews for these products have been generally positive, with people praising their functionality, ease of use, and value for money. Of course, as with any tech product, there's always room for improvement, and Xiaomi is constantly iterating and refining its offerings. But one thing's for sure, Xiaomi is not afraid to experiment and push the boundaries of what's possible with technology, and that's what makes them such an exciting brand to watch. Outro, Xiaomi, the future of tech. So, there you have it, a closer look at Xiaomi and their impressive lineup of gadgets. From smartphones and wearables to smart home devices and even electric scooters, Xiaomi is making tech more accessible and affordable for everyone. Xiaomi continues to impress with its range of affordable yet high-quality gadgets. Whether you're looking for a new smartphone, wearable tech, or smart home devices, Xiaomi has you covered. They've proven that you don't need to break the bank to get your hands on some seriously impressive tech. And with their constant innovation and commitment to pushing boundaries, it's clear that Xiaomi is a force to be reckoned with in the tech world. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.